Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to tag someone or how to mention someone whenever you already post the content on your Instagram story. So here is the way. Open your Instagram application. And right after that, make sure that you stay in the home section. There will be like 5 sections over here. So make sure that you stay in the home section. And right after that, you just need to check the story sections of you. So here is my story that I just posted here, and I forgot to tag my friends because I want to do collaborative work with my friends. So to tag someone, you just need to like go click the 3 small dots on this below part here, and then right after that you just need to go click this add mentions. And now you just need to add mentions add the account of your friends, and then you just need to go click add. And now the mention is already sent. Now your friends will be able to repost the content that you just post on your Instagram story. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.